Okay, class, before we start, please stand. Ariel, please lead the prayer.
Classmates, are you ready to pray?
Yes, we are.
Bow your head and close your eyes. O God Almighty, behold this day lying children. Amen.
Amen.
Okay, class, before you sit, please pick up the pieces of paper under your chair and put it inside your bag. And later, after we finish our class today, you will throw it in the trash bin outside the room. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
So, good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
Teacher.
Okay, you may now take your seat. So, before we start, I have here our classroom rules. I want you all to maintain our classroom rules. So, Arya, please read classroom rule number 1.
Respect one another.
Yulin,
Be participative and cooperative.
Chiron,
Don't answer in chorus.
Rudy,
Raise your hand if you want to answer.
Yulin,
When you are having a group activity, discuss with your group mates silently and avoid disturbing other groups.
Okay, class, I am expecting that you will follow our classroom rules. So now, class, do you still remember our topic yesterday?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what is our topic yesterday?
Creating problems with reasonable answer involving addition and subtraction, teacher.
Very good, Yulin. So now I have here an activity. So, Rudy, please read the direction.
Solve the problem and show the result through making a table and shade it to illustrate the result.
Okay, I want you to please get one whole sheet of paper and answer this. And after you answer, I will call someone to solve the problem here in front, and you will draw a table and shade the part to show the result. Okay?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher. Done,
Are-
teacher.
Done,
Okay,
teacher.
you are done. So who wants to answer number 1?
Teacher.
Okay.
Chiron.
Chiron.
Teacher.
Okay, very good, Chiron. Your answers are correct. Okay, for number 2, Yulin. Okay, very good, Yulin. Your answers are also correct. Okay, number 3, Rudy. Okay, very good, Rudy. For number 4, okay, Chiron. you, Sharon. Your answer are correct. And last one, Yulin. Okay, very good. I am glad that you still remember our topic yesterday. Now, class, we will going to tackle our new lesson today. So before that, I have here an activity. And this activity entitled Pick and Word. All you need to do is to analyze what does each picture and word symbolizes. Okay, for the picture number 1, what do you think is this?
Symbol.
Symbol.
Okay, is it simple?
Yes.
Very good, it is simple. For the picture number 2, what do you think is this?
Multiply.
Very good, it is multiply.
Multiply.
And for the third picture,
Mix.
very good, it is mix. And how about this one?
Fraction.
Very good, it is fraction. So class, what are the words you have get from these pictures?
Fraction.
Okay, Isel.
Fraction. Simple. Multiply.
And mix.
Oh.
Okay. What do you think will be our topic for today?
Picture.
Okay. Ariel.
Multiply simple fraction and mixed number.
Very good. Our topic for today is about multiply simple fraction and mixed fraction. So before we deep into our discussion, let us first, I want you first to know our objectives or the things you need to attain before or during and after our lesson. Isel, will you please read our objectives?
At the end of 50 minutes lesson, the 85% of students should be able to identify simple fraction and mixed fraction, multiply simple fraction, mixed fraction, and combination of simple and mixed fraction. Cite the importance of knowing the step in multiplying simple and mixed fraction.
Okay, thank you, Isel. So now, let's have story time. I have here a story entitled Ben's Birthday. So I want you to listen carefully because later on you will answer questions from each different part of each of the story. So I will read the story. Ben's mother is very busy preparing for his party because he invited his classmates and friends to celebrate with him his 7th birthday. Her mother wants to make a mixed fruit made of strawberry and mango. She put 3/4 of strawberry fruit and 5/6 of mango. His mother also baked a cake. She added 3 1/4 cup of flour and 1 1/2 cup of water to blend. After she finished baking, she then made a mango float. She put 3 1/4 cup of milk and 3/4 cup of fresh sliced mango. After his mother was done cooking, the party began and ended successfully. So class, what does our story is all about?
Ben's birthday.
Very good. It is about Ben's birthday. So class, on the mixed fruit, how many mangoes and strawberries was his mother put in all? Do you know?
Yes, teacher. 3/4 of strawberry and 5/6 of mango.
Okay. So later on, you will find out we will going to multiply that given fraction, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Do you know how about the mixture of his mother's cake? What's the total mixture? Okay, you don't know yet?
No, teacher. I only know that her mother put 3 and 1/4 flour and 1 and 1/2 water, but I don't know the sum.
Okay, later on you will find out. And how about the total mixture of mango flour?
I don't know, teacher.
Okay, it's okay because
Only mention the 3 1/2 cup of chuchu and 3/4 cup of mango.
okay, so it's okay because later on after the discussion we will find out the solution or the answer to this problem.
Okay,
So now first let us know what is simple fraction. Sorry class. I have a sore throat, so bear with teacher, okay?
Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
teacher.
So first, do you know what is simple fraction and how to multiply simple fraction?
No,
No,
teacher.
Okay, I said, will you please read what is simple fraction?
Simple fraction is a fraction in which the numerator and denominator are both integers expressed as ratio rather than a decimal.
Very good, okay? So class, here are the example of simple fraction. So we have 2/3, 5/6, and 1/2. So now, how do we multiply simple fraction? So Ariel, will you please read how we will multiply simple fraction?
Multiply simple fraction both numerator as well as both denominator and express it in the simplest form of if possible.
Okay, we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator. And if the result is, possible, the result is, can be lowest term, we have to do the lowest term, okay?
Yes, teacher.
So I have here an example. So who wants, Aisel, do you want to solve this problem here in front?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, just follow what the instruction told you.
Dito, teacher.
Okay, do you think answer is Aisel is correct?
Yes, teacher.
Let us find out. So correct, it is correct. We have 8 and 25 because we cannot lowest term.
Teacher, the answer on this screen is not correct.
Your answer is not correct because okay, you
Ay,
put it
teacher,
wrong because it
I'm-
should be 3. The denominator of 2 it should be 3. So
I'm sorry, teacher.
the answer should be
15.
15. Okay, it's okay. But next time be careful, okay?
Opo.
Yes, teacher.
Now let's proceed to mixed fraction. So class, do you have any idea what is mixed fraction?
None,
A
teacher.
combination of of whole number and a fraction.
Very good, I said. Ariel, what is the mixed fraction?
Mixed fraction is a combination of proper fraction and a whole number.
Very good. So what I still have said is correct.
Yes.
So the example of mixed fractions are 1 and 2/3, 2 and 4/5, and 3 and 1/3. Now class, let us know how to multiply mixed fraction. So we have steps to follow. So Isa, please read step number 1.
Change the mixed fraction to a proper fraction by multiplying the denominator by the whole number, then add the product to the numerator to get a new numerator. Copy the denominator denominator of the mixed fraction.
Okay, so for the step 1, we need to convert the mixed fraction into the improper
Fraction.
fraction. So for example, we have 1 and 2/3. So we will
Multiply the denominator to the whole number.
very good. We have to multiply the denominator to the whole number. So 3 times 1,
3,
3 plus 2,
5,
5.
very good. So now, I'm sorry class, my sore throat is getting worse.
you can drink water, teacher.
Okay, so let's just copy the denominator. Then, sa 2 over 4/5, we have 14/5 because 5 times 2 equals
10.
10.
Last
Last 4. 14. Copy
14.
the denominator. 5.
14 over
14.
15.
Very good.
5.
Answer, please read step 2 and 3.
Multiply the numerator. Step 3. Multiply the denominator.
Okay, thank you. So, for the step 2 and 3, we need to multiply the numerator and denominator. So, we have the 5/3 earlier and 14/5. So, we have to multiply it like what we do in simple fraction, okay?
Yes,
So,
teacher.
5 times 14 is equals to
70.
3.
very good. 5 times 14 is equals to 70. And 3 times 5 is equals to
15.
15. Now, class, for the step 4,
Express the answer to the simplest form or lowest term, if needed. To simplify the answer, change the improper fraction to mixed fraction by dividing the numerator by its denominator.
so on the step 4, the improper fraction, we need to convert it into mixed fraction so that we can get the right answer. So 70 over 15, so we just need to divide it. 70 divided by 15 is equals to 4 over 10, 15.
15.
Or
4 and 2/3.
yes, because we can lowest term it. So 10 and 15, 10 over 15 are we can
Divisible
divide
by
it,
5.
very good, it is divisible by 5.
5.
So we get 2/3. So our answer is 4
4
and
to 2/3.
Now class, multiplying simple fraction and mixed fraction. So you earlier you have known how to multiply simple fraction and mixed fraction. So now we will combine the two. So for the first step 1,
Convert mixed fraction into improper fraction.
Multiply both numerator and both denominator. Express in lowest term.
okay, Isaac. So step 1 is to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. In the step 2 is to multiply both numerator and both denominator. And the step 3 is to express in lowest term. So I have here an example. Isaac, do you want to solve the problem? You just need to follow that step.
Twelve.
We can divide it by
6.
no, it's not
4.
4 divided by 4 over 4. 4 is 12, 16,
3.
Is it correct, teacher?
Let's find out if your answers are correct. So, the improper fraction of 4 and 2/3 is
14 over
14
3.
over 3. Very good.
Yeah.
And for the, you just need to copy the simple
Ah,
fraction,
hindi ko
okay?
convert ka
Or
pa.
the proper fraction.
Hindi ko convert ka pa.
So your answer here is correct, but here we just need to
Divide.
divide. So you got it wrong because
12, 24. I thought.
we need to divide 28 divided by 12 is equals to
2.
2. 2 and
4
12.
over 12.
2 and 4 over
12.
The 4 over 12 is divisible by 4. So we have to divide it by 4. So the answer is
2 and 1/3.
okay. The answer is 2 and 1/3. Always remember that as you multiply this, you need to divide. Because it is improper fraction. Divide numerator by denominator, okay?
Yes, sir.
Now that you know how to solve simple fraction, mixed fraction, and combination of simple and mixed fraction, let's go back to the story. So in the story, the question, on the mixed fruit, how many mangoes and strawberry did his mother put in all? So we have 3, 4,
5, 6.
and 5, 6. So we need to multiply those. So we have a simple fraction. So Ariel, do you want to try?
15.
Uy, Ariel, you want to try?
24.
15 over 25?
Huh?
It's a simple fraction.
Pwede pa tayo divide sa ano, 3. 5.
First, 6 equals to
8, 5 over 8. Oh, you divide it pa. You simplify it into ano, divide it by 3. It's 5 over 8.
okay, very good. The answer is 5 over 8. So her mother puts 5 over 8 in all. So now, on the second recipe of her mother,
It's the cake.
the
3
cake. Okay, she put 3 and 1/4 cup of flour and 1 and 1/2 cup of water to blend. Okay, Aisa, do you want to solve?
Diba, ano pa ito?
Just follow the step in solving mixed fraction.
3 and 1, 4, 5, 1 and 1 half.
Plus 1. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. 13 times 3.
26. 39 over 8. Tapos, 8 divided by 39.
8, 16, 32,
8, 16, 24,
36.
32, 4. 4 and 7, 8.
Very good, I said. So the answer is 4 over because 39 divided by 8 is equals to, the whole number is 4. And the remainder is 7.
7.
So we just need to copy the denominator. So we have 4 and 7, 8. Okay, on the last recipe, it is the mango float. So on the mango float, she put 3 and 1/4 cup of milk and 3/4 cup of
Mango.
sliced mango.
You answer the board.
Okay, I will just answer it and I will explain it to you. So first, we need to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 4 times 3 is equals to 12. And 12 plus 1 is equals to
13.
And copy the denominator. Times, okay, copy the simple fraction. So 13 times 3 is equals to 39. And 4 times 4 equals to
16.
16. So 39 divided by 16 is equals to
2.
2 and 7,
16.
So 7 is a odd number and 16 is an even number.
Recap.
They do not have same divisibility. Okay. So we have 2 whole and 7 over
16.
Now class, now that you already know how to solve, I have here an activity. So I will group the class into two groups. So group 1, this will be your activity. And group 2, this will be your activity. So all you need to do is to solve the problem there. I will only give you 3 minutes to finish your task, okay?
Okay.
Okay, your timer starts now.
Tapos natin siya.
Last turn.
Okay, your time now. So, let us check your works. Group 1, please present your work in group 1.
Oh, you showed naman ka.
The classmates, this is my solving process. Now, give the number please for over 5 times 1 in and 2/3. 12. The first step is I convert this fraction to proper fraction. Improper fraction. That's why the result is 4 over 5 times 5 over 3. And then I will multiply the simple fraction. I will multiply the numerator and the denominator. So 4 times 5, 20, then 5 times 3, 15. Then I will divide between 2, 15. The answer is 5, 15. And I lowest term the 5 over 15 because they are divisible by 5. So the answer is 1 and 1/5.
Okay, very good. So group 2, please give Ariel
Multiply the numerator and the denominator. 4 times 1 equals 4, and 9 times 4 equals 36. We can simplify it. It will become 1 over 9. And for number 2, it is just a simple fraction. We'll just multiply the denominator and the numerator. 6 times 5 equals to 30, and 9 times 7 equals 63. So, we will solve it into its lowest term. It will become 10 over 21.
Okay, very good. Group 2. Group 1, please give 5 claps to the group 2. Now class, I have here another activity, group activity. So your group, earlier will be your group again. So for the group 1, here is your word problem, and this is for the group 2. So group 1, please read your word problem.
A mango float receipt uses 3 and 1/2 cups of milk. If you are going to prepare 1 and 1/2 times of the recipe, how much milk do you need?
Okay, for the group 2,
Mother bought 2 and 1/2 kilogram of mangoes. Pearl ate 1/5 of these for snacks and lunch. How many were eaten by Pearl?
okay, so I will give you 3 minutes to solve this problem, okay? Okay, your timer starts now. Okay, you are done.
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
Okay, group 1, please present your answer.
So the mango float is 3 and 1/2. Then, if I'm going to prepare 1 and 1/2 times, so I will times the given number 3 over 1/2, 3 1 and 1/2 times 1 and 1/2. Then 7 equals 2 because I convert the mixed number 2 in proper fraction.
Okay, very good.
Times 3 over 2 equals 21 over 4. Then the answer is, I will divide the 21 to 4. The answer is 5 and 1/4. And the 5 and 1/4 has no lowest term.
Very good. Okay, group 2, please give 5 claps to the group 2. Okay, group 2, please present your word.
So, this is my word. So, this is the solution. My mother bought 2 and 1/2 kilogram of mangoes, and Pearl ate 1/5 of it for snack. So, we'll multiply 2 and 1/2 times 1/5 is equals to 2 times 2 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5 over 2 times 1/5. So, we will just multiply the numerator and the denominator. 5 times 1 was 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. Or, we will divide it by 5. It will become 1/2.
Okay, very good, group 2. Group 1, please give 5 claps to the group 2. Okay, now class, to summarize what we have learned and what you have learned today, I have here a box. And in this box contains questions. All you need to do is to give me a number, and I will count in your seats the number you have given so that I will not be biased, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Arya, give me a number.
2.
1, okay, Aisel? Please pick the question. Read it and answer.
How do we multiply simple fraction? We multiply simple fraction by multiplying both numerator and denominator and express it in the lowest term.
Okay, very good. We need to multiply the numerator, both numerator and denominator, and express it in lowest term if possible. Okay, Aizal, give me a number.
10.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, Ariel, pick a paper and read the question.
What is the importance of knowing the step in multiplying simple and mixed fraction? Teacher, the importance of knowing the step will guide me to have right answer, because if we do not know the process or this step, we might get a wrong answer.
Okay, very good, Ariel. So the importance of knowing the steps, just like in life class, if we do not do step by step in our education, we cannot proceed to another grade level.
Yes,
So
teacher.
we need to finish one grade level so that we can proceed to another grade level. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Ariel.
5, teacher.
Number 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Sorry, class. Ariel.
Drink water first, teacher. So you can speak.
Sorry, my throat, my sore throat is getting worse again. Okay, number 5 is still Ariel. Okay, please pick another question, read it and answer.
What kind of fraction is a combination of proper fraction and polynomial? Teacher, mixed number.
Very good. And give me a number again.
3.
Okay, Aizel, please pick.
It is a fraction in which the numerator are both integers expressed as ratio rather than a decimal. Simple fraction!
Okay, very good. And for the last number, okay, Aizel.
What is the first step in multiplying mixed fraction? We convert it into improper fraction.
Okay, very good. Always remember, class, that in multiplying mixed fraction, we need to convert it first into improper fraction. Okay?
Opo.
Okay, now class, to test if you really or you fully understand our lesson for today, I have here a short quiz. So please get one whole sheet of paper and answer this word problem.
Teacher, done. Number 3 na po.
Okay, number 3. Are you done?
Yes,
Yes.
teacher.
Yes.
Tapos na, teacher.
Okay, so now let us check. So who wants to solve number 1?
Teacher.
Okay, Ariel. What is your answer, Ariel?
22 over 22 and 2/3.
Okay, very good. Okay, number 2, Aizel. Okay, number 3.
I'll answer.
Now class,